Hi everyone! I'm Amanda with LG, and today I'll be reviewing LG's 27-inch Washtower Smart Front Load with AI Wash and ezDispense. This Washtower comes in both gas and electric, has a black steel finish, and a mega capacity of 5 cubic feet in the washer and 7.4 cubic feet for the dryer. What really makes this Washtower unique is the center control panel LCD display. This easy-to-read display is a touchscreen and makes it simple to navigate between both the washer and dryer menus. Simply switch between units here and select your cycle options in this drop-down menu. You have your cycle modifiers conveniently below on the home screen. You can also swipe through cycles. In the settings menu, we have additional mods you can add to cycles and options like remote start and drum light. In this menu, we also have LG's ezDispense, which is LG's auto-dosing system, which is a time saver for a busy household. At the bottom, we have 2 more menus. Let's select Washer Additional Settings first. At the top, we have Cycle List Edit. You can go through this menu and add additional cycles to your home screen and remove others to truly customize your home screen. In this menu, we also have a few maintenance options and Signal, which allows you to adjust the volume of the unit. Let's back out and check out Washer and Dryer Common Settings. In here, you can connect to Wi-Fi via the LG ThinQ app, which is great for things like monitoring your wash and dry times or downloading new cycles. We also have a control lock, which can offer peace of mind for parents. If we flip to the dryer side, you can see the menus and functionality are nearly identical. There are different dryer-specific features like wrinkle care or low static, but the nested menus are the same, making the Washtower really easy to use. This Washtower is loaded with features and can be a great addition to your home.